How to add echo effect to your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Audacity. As you can see, this is my voice audio and I want to add the echo effect. First thing, let's see this audio. How to media. This is just a test audio. Now all what you have to do is select your audio like this and then click on effect in the top and go to echo right here. You will find it. Click on echo and then choose the delay time and click preview. How to media. This is just a test audio. As you can see, it looks so good. Let's click OK. Now let's listen. Test audio. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.